Hey, welcome back. So before we just created a constructor, and then now here we created a superhero using this constructor. Now let's just call the print line to see that it works like before. So let's call it up. I think this should be 1. Let's just try. Control R for run it, fast way. And we get the enemy down here. Let me just... Yeah, so get it down there. Okay, so and we can call the other getters as well. The others we created. This one. And it works just the same. It works in the same way. So this time we didn't use any setters. We just input all information in the constructor that we defined. Now I want to show you that you can overload constructors. So just like functions, you can have several functions with the same name that takes in different input. You can do the same thing with constructors. So let's go to our class superhero and let's go to here our superhero constructor. So this is our constructor that we used that we are using up here. So all this information goes into goes into the constructor. Goes here. So so we're just beneath this. Let's just take this one up like this. We create a constructor with an identical name, of course. Actually, I should mention constructors should be called the same as the class. So superhero's name of the constructor and the class superhero. So the name of this class is superhero, same as the constructor. They have to be called the same. And like you can see, there is no void or return type, anything in front of the names, in front of the constructor. So just name of the class, and then whatever is in the input string. Anyways, create a different constructor that doesn't take any input, and let's do like this. We can just leave it like this. What this does is it enables us to actually create another superhero like we did before we created the constructor. So new hero, there we name. So now we can do like before, where we just had the empty parentheses, Control R to run it. And there's no error messages, so it creates a new without anything. Yeah, so, and in case you wonder if it really if it couldn't do it without this, we can just outcomment it. So now it's not called, and now it should give an error message when we run this line of code because it can't find this constructor. So before let's just run it to see. Yeah, so the constructor is undefined, is what it say. So as you can see, we need this. Now this might be a technical thing, but sorry, we should if there's no constructor defined, like if there's no like in the beginning we had no constructor, the processing will actually just use this, even though you can't find it in the code anywhere. It just used like a like a hidden constructor, whatever you like to call it, like a basic standard constructor, even though you can't see it. So, but when you create your own constructor, then the hidden constructor is overridden, and that's why we then have to recreate it if we want to use, if we want to create the object without anything inside the parentheses. So if that didn't make any sense, then it doesn't really matter, but you can see what's going on, so just be aware of it. That if you're creating a constructor and you want to keep this ability to create the object without any input, then you have to use two constructors. You have to overload it. Yeah, let's just check the time. Yeah, and so, and if we did like this, and we didn't input anything, we'd use just like a basic simple constructor without any inputs, and we then use getters, we would get the null point. I don't remember if I showed it, but yeah, we just showed. Let's check the enemy. So now we just get null because nothing is put into it. So yeah. So then we would have to use the setter first. I think it was set enemy. Some enemy. I don't know, get some enemy. So I think that has been covered enough. So let's just say that's enough for this video. In the next video we are going to look at making a kill enemy method. So what that should do is that we should be able to kill the current enemy of our superhero, and then automatically the program should generate another enemy. So see you in the next video.